this is a three-way comparison. We have the Bose Revolve Plus 2, we have the Bose Soundlink Max, and we have the Marshall Stanmore first generation. Please note, this is not a portable speaker. This is connected with a wire and it will work on power. Today I want to see a few things. I want to see A, which is louder and clearer. Second, which is the most appealing to my ears, which sounds good. Of course, the Soundlink Max is louder than the Revolve Plus 2, but does it actually sound better? Because I'm not really sure. I've owned this for a month and I like it a lot, but is it actually better sounding when you're just listening to speaker in the room? And where does the Marshall Stanmore stand today? This is a good 5+ year old speaker. This is a month old and this is approximately a year or two old. Let's get started. Before I start, I would like to request you to please like the video, because this is going to be a good comparison. There's no way it's going to be a bad comparison. You're going to love it, dude. I want to say that in the first round, in terms of both the sound and the production, there are three things which I'm noticing about the Bose Soundlink Max. It is the most room-filling, wide sound, and it is also the most accurate, alert, eager sound, which I'm not quite getting from the Revolve Plus 2 at all. But from this, it was just immediately, as you must have heard on the camera also. I'm sure it was pretty good. So round one goes to Soundlink Max. The second I would give to Stanmore, and the Revolve Plus 2 sounded a bit flat. Okay, that was so much fun, by the way. Despite the boxy sound, I think it still does a good job. Let's move to the Soundlink. Man, oh man, I'm just dying to speak, guys. Okay, so when I did the treble boost, it really became very good. The sound is somewhat scintillating. Check this out. Like right here in front of the speaker, it's it's just not the same thing, guys. It's unfair to even compare the Revolve Plus 2 with the Soundlink Max and the Stanmore. Clearly, these two have more of a stage room presence, and I don't know how to describe the Soundlink Max. You know, if you place it right in front of you and you listen to some songs, and I've done that, dude. Sometimes I just sit here, you know, like I'll be sitting here and I'll just play some songs on this, right? I don't need any drink, I don't need anything. Just sitting and listening to my favorite music just like this right next to it, man, it's just another experience. Again, I want to say the Stanmore, I just want to give Stanmore this round because it sounded absolutely incredible, and immediately it sucks you in. So the Stanmore wins this round, and this comes very close second, and that's a very distant third. I'm surprised the Revolve Plus 2 is not doing that well. I'm not really sure about this round. I feel it sounds a little like, you know, it's breaking at its seams at 80 to 100% volume. I didn't like that about this. Let's see if Stanmore can regain or win this round. I'm sorry for the commentary, you know. Normally I don't give a commentary. I just let the music sit, but anyways, let's hear the Stanmore now. Absolutely incredible. The Stanmore sounds like a perfect 10. I would give this an 8 out of 10, and this I would give a 6 out of 10 for this round. And the reason I'm going to give Marshall all the marks is because at loud volume at 100%, check it out. It maintains a sound decorum. I'm feeling so bad because I have not been listening to the Stanmore recently. This sounds epic. Absolutely epic. There's no way you can get such a room-filling speaker like the Stanmore first generation. Let's move on, guys. Let's move on to this guy. And let's see if it can do any justice. No, I didn't like the Soundlink Max in this for this particular comparison. Not liking it much. Not liking the Revolve Plus 2 also. So number 1, number 2 and number 3 Soundlink Max somehow failed very badly in this round. I'm not sure why. Considering the size this has, I think this is an absolutely electrifying speaker. And I gave this a 10, I would give this a 9. And I have to say that all things considered, this may have won the round. And let's just go to the Revolve Plus 2. It's not out of the park. It's not out of the woods yet. Here's the main bit, okay? I think these speakers have a wonderful processor which analyzes the kind of sound it should reproduce. We were talking about listenability, and I think the Revolve Plus 2 is a very neutral sounding speaker without getting into your business too much, you know? It's not an intrusive speaker, and I think that's what works for it. I think it does very good reproduction. It can get very loud. Even if you have a room of this size, I still feel this can get loud enough. So I don't know, I'm struggling in this round, and I want to give it to the Stanmore, but the Soundlink Max did an incredible job at reprocessing the sound. If you like electronic sound and you like big beat music and you like house music and you like deep house music, this could be your winner, dude. The Marshall is very, very amazing, and the Revolve Plus 2 also did a good job. I'm proud to say all three of my speakers rocked it out on this round. Let's move forward. But this round again has been won by Marshall. Absolutely incredible the Marshall sounded. I'm surprised. I'm actually surprised that the Marshall, despite its age, is winning this competition so far. Wow. That was just absolutely incredible, man. I didn't see that coming, to be fair. Let's move on to the Stanmore and play the same song on the Stanmore. I mean, will it better the Bose? I doubt. Marshall has just destroyed both of these speakers. I think the Marshall Stanmore, yes, it's a powered speaker. I know you're gonna write that in the comment section, but dude, this sounds incredible. Incredibly. It sounds brilliant. Like it's a game changer, you know. I mean, I for some reason thought when I got the Soundlink Max that it's gonna compete with the Stanmore, and I'll probably sell this guy, but I want to keep it around longer, dude, because it sounds absolutely incredible, man. And what do I say, man? It sounds like music is being performed in front of you. It throws out this air as a cautionary tale, and I think it's just fantastic, man. Again, the Stanmore has won. We're just gonna do one more round with some vocals, and let's see what that's about, dude. Revolve Plus 2, forget about it. Between these two speakers, I have to give it to the Soundlink Max. I think the vocals sound a little better because this is a vocal-centric song. But again, the Marshall has won this entire competition quite comfortably because it has very good sound reproduction. It's a portable speaker, but it's a great portable speaker at max volumes. It has a USB-C on the back at max volumes. You will be impressed by this, but please look at the size of this guy and look at the size of this guy. This guy plugs into an outlet. For what it's worth, I think this is a fantastic speaker. In terms of pricing, I think you can get a new Stanmore for about $35,000. This costs $42,000. This costs $27,000. The Revolve Plus 2, if you don't have the money to get either of these two, you can get the Revolve Plus 2. And if you don't have the money to get a Revolve Plus 2, you can get a Bose Flex, which is a brilliant speaker. I have done many comparisons with that also. I'm going to do more comparisons, guys. But today, the Stanmore has schooled the Bose Soundlink Max. And I'm not going to front about it. I'm going to be dead ass about the whole thing, you know. And the Revolve Plus 2 is very disappointing when you compare these two. I mean, I have another Revolve Plus right here, and I should probably merge these two using the Bose Connect application and do another review of that, you know. Would you guys want to see that? Would you guys want me to see this versus this and a Bose Flex? I'm going to do all of that, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. We're just getting started. Peace out.